Hi my beauties, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with another feminine topic, and you guys, this is one of the topics I love treating here on my channel because majority of my audience are women, and as women, you guys know one thing is being a woman is not easy. We go through our time, we go through our ordeal, especially during that time of the month. It's fun being a woman, but it's not easy because you have to make sure you take care of yourself. We don't want any smell, we don't want anything, you know, that is off from your pH balance. So I'm always very happy treating topics like this, and today's topic is the vagina self cleansing for real? Because this can always be kind of a controversy. You know, some women believe that the vagina is self-cleansing, it doesn't need any help, you can just leave it to do its thing. And then some women like myself, we always believe that, you know, even though the vagina is self-cleansing, of course it cleanses itself, but then once in a while it needs some type of help. And for me, because I'm the one filming the video, I have to talk from my own perspective. I always believe that no matter how self-cleansing the vagina is, you guys, you always have to have a very good feminine hygiene. Like if you don't have a good hygiene and you just leave yourself and think, oh, the vagina is self-cleansing, it's just going to cleanse itself out, you will end up smelling, you guys. So in that aspect, I always believe that the vagina needs, you know, help. It's not going to do it by itself. It needs some type of help, and you have to make sure your feminine hygiene is intact. Like you have to make sure, of course, you take your bath. There are just few simple feminine hygienes that we are used to and we know about, and also thankfully there are products out there that you can actually use, you know, for your intimate area. But for today's video, I want to talk about boric acid suppository from Feminiva, and this is a brand from Healthfare. You guys, if you're familiar with boric acid, or if this is your first time hearing about this product, this is actually a very important, and it's kind of a necessity for every woman because it helps a lot in balancing your pH level. That is just one thing I always believe when it comes to feminine care. Like there are some things you need to do even if you're not using products, but things like personal hygiene that you need to do to be able to make your V area smelling so clean and fresh. You guys know currently I'm expecting, I'm pregnant, but before I got pregnant, you guys, this is something I do once in a month, and it's very recommended. And normally during the first, I would say first 3 days of your period, it's all good, you know, you bleed. At least you need to take your baths morning, afternoon, night to be able to keep fresh and keep clean. Because I believe like from the 4th and the 5th day, during that spotting period, you guys, it's always kind of, if you don't take care of yourself, you will end up smelling. That's why a lot of people refer to women as, like, some women have kind of a fish smell. If you don't take care of yourself towards the end of your period, you will end up having that fish smell. And you guys know that is a disgusting smell that no woman is ever happy having. Or when somebody passes you, they kind of perceive a foul smell from you. That is disgusting. And you guys, as a woman, I know we don't like that. And this right here comes with the boric acid and also the suppository. The suppository comes with 7 different sticks, so you're supposed to use the sticks with the medicine. This product right here helps a lot in balancing your pH level, because you guys know that one thing with the female body is once your pH balance is off, it kind of throws everything down the hill. It kind of gets everything all messed up, you guys. Like you end up smelling, having itches. You always want to use products that will help to maintain your pH balance. Like your pH balance is the main thing when it comes to feminine hygiene. You have to make sure your pH balance is up there, you know, it's intact, because once anything happens to that pH balance, like I'm talking of something as little as maybe wearing a wet undies or just bathing and not cleaning down there for a few days, you will notice you start having kind of a discharge down there. And also it helps with the prevention and treatment of yeast infections, bacterial vaginosis. Yeast infection is kind of a very common problem with women, you guys. Like let's take for instance, you go out and you need to ease yourself, you end up using a public toilet. It happens to me sometimes, you guys. That's why when I go out, it's always very difficult for me to use a public toilet. I'd rather kind of hold that pee until when I get home. Yeast infection is not anything that you have to do something very special to get yeast infection. Yeast infection can happen just by you using a public toilet or using a wet undies, or it's just, you know, little things that can cause yeast infection. So this right here helps a lot with the prevention and also the treatment of yeast infection, bacterial vaginosis, vagina odor, itching, you know, all those feminine problems, you guys. This helps a lot, and this is sold on Amazon. It's actually sold in the US and also in Canada, and this has one of the best reviews on Amazon, you guys. This is kind of one of the best sellers on Amazon. And how you're supposed to use this is it comes with 7 applicators like I mentioned, and this is exactly how the applicator looks. And this product is meant to be used consecutively for 7 days. So if you start it today, you will count today as day 1, and then you have day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6, day 6, day 7. So it comes with 7 different applicators. Normally you can use it any time of the month, but I always prefer to use a boric acid towards the end of my period, and this is exactly how the applicator looks. It looks just like this. As you all can see, it's, you know, it has a very nice shape to it, and what you're supposed to do is to go in with a tablet. It comes in a very nice kind of white tablet. So all you need to do is to go ahead and put this in here, and then you need to kind of squat a little bit, like when you stand up, right, you squat a little bit so that you'll be able to get right in there. Then once you're able to squat, and then you put this inside your vajayjay, and then you go ahead and push it in. And as you all can see, once you go ahead and push it, I don't want this medicine to fall, you guys. Like, this is very needed. So, you know, once you go ahead and push it, it will just go in there, and you're supposed to do this every night for 7 days. You're only meant to use it at night, because when you do this, you guys, by the time you wake up in the morning, or if you're the type that wakes up maybe in the night to use the bathroom, you will notice a lot of discharge. Like, it's not a bad discharge, you guys. This is just getting rid of all those things that are, you know, stuck in there. Like I said, it's always very important to me to use boric acid after my period, because for some reason I feel like when you're done with your period, there is always some kind of congealed blood up there. So you want to take something in there that will help to, you know, clean and, you know, make sure everything is out. So when you go ahead and insert this product right here, you just make sure you put on your undies. You don't want to be sleeping and then turn around and feel like maybe you peed on yourself, because this is just going to help rush and bring out all those things from inside your vagina. So like I said, whether you're the type that believes that the vagina is self-cleansing, or you're like me who believes the vagina needs some type of help sometimes, especially after that time of the month, you guys, like, this product is very important. You have to give it a try and see if there is any difference, especially when it comes to the treatment of yeast infections, bacterial vaginosis, itching, vagina odor. Like, odor is one thing you don't want down there, you guys. We have this very nice feminine, you know, it's not odor, like feminine, very nice smell down there. It's not supposed to be an odor, you guys. So if you have an odor, you definitely have to give this product a try. Even though you don't have an odor, if you just want to make sure you keep down there fresh and clean, definitely give this product a try. And I have a coupon code from this company, which I'm going to link in my description box, so definitely try and check them out. And also all the information regarding this product and also the website, the brand, is definitely going to be linked in my description box. So you guys definitely give this product a try, because like I said, I always, like, boric acid is something I swear by. Like, as a woman, you guys, like I said, it's not easy being a woman, but with the right products and also with the right care, you can always feel so good. You can always feel empowered. You can always feel sexy in your body. Like, being a woman is just so much fun, you guys, but if you know how to keep it clean and fresh. Yeah, you guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to hit that like button below and also hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And till my next video, I will see you all very, very soon. Bye.